In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use the Yoast SEO plugin for Blogger and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if Yoast SEO is available for Blogger, we can visit their main website. So as you can see, if you open up a web browser and go to Yoast SEO, you will be able to browse through all of the products that they offer. In here, you can hover over products, learn SEO, blog for all news related to the plugin. In here, we want to go into products, and what you will notice is that about their products, they have plenty of options. You can find Yoast SEO available usually for WordPress and Shopify. These are the two main actors where you can implement Yoast SEO to boost your results. What you will notice, however, is that in this page, there is no mention of Blogger or even Blogspot, which is another name that Blogger goes by. We can only find WordPress, subscriptions, and then Shopify. WordPress is very dominant here, with a majority of Yoast SEO plugins being available for WordPress, but as you can clearly notice, no option for Blogger. So as of today, is there any way to use Yoast SEO and adapt it to work with Blogger? Unfortunately, as it stands today, Yoast is not available officially for Blogger. You can only use it with WordPress websites, some subscription services, and then Shopify. They have no option to use it for Blogger, and there is no such plugin available for Blogger or Blogspot posts. Unfortunately, you either need to switch to WordPress or look for other alternatives to boost your SEO. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of the tools that Yoast SEO offers and why it is not available for Blogger as of today. We can wait and see if there is an update regarding this. If you want to keep up to date with all the news regarding Yoast SEO and its functionalities, you can visit their website and go to the blog page. In here, the developers will always talk about their work and how the product is going to evolve. But as it stands today, you need to use it inside of WordPress, some subscription-based service, or Shopify. There is no option to use it inside of Blogger. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation. If this video helped you or answered any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.